Hi everybody, I'm Tom Lloyd from CCTV out here at the Animal Welfare League of Charlotte County for this month's Pet of the Month. Joining me right now is Carrie. And Carrie, who's this lovely girl we have right here?
This is Cali.
Talk to me about Cali. Tell me about her story.
She has been here since April.
Okay.
She was an owner surrender due to housing issues. Okay. So unfortunately, she has been with us since then. She is a senior. She's 7 years old.
Okay.
And she is very sweet, gentle. She absolutely loves the water. It's her favorite thing in the whole wide world. If you have a hose, she loves to jump and try to bite it. It's hysterical. She loves it.
And you said she's been here since April?
Since April,
yes.
Yes.
How does she get along with the other animals?
She does great with dogs. Not so great with cats, but the dogs, she is good with other dogs.
Okay, well.
She's very shy, so it takes her a while to come out of her shell.
Okay, well, hey, if you'd like to meet Cali or any of the other animals at the Animal Welfare League of Charlotte County, you can always give them a call, or you can go to their website, awlshelter.org. For CCTV's Pet of the Month, I'm Tom Lloyd.